Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about retinol. It reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles by increasing the collagen. So as you grow older, your skin's ability to produce collagen kind of reduces. That's why you should include skincare with retinol in it. That's why retinol is used in anti-aging skincare. So if you're confused between retinol and you have heard a lot of these terms, I'm not gonna confuse you. In simplest terms, retinol is a type of retinoid, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the Lotus Botanicals Bioretinol. So this range of bioretinol contains plant derived retinol, and that's why it makes it unique from other retinoids available in the market, because this is plant derived. So the product I have from that range is called the Bioretinol Youth Radiance Sleeping Mask. They also have a cream. I chose the sleeping mask because I love sleeping masks and nighttime skincare mostly, because I like to wake up with the softest skin. I have been really loving the sleeping mask. It has this perfect texture. Even though it feels lightweight, it moisturizes really well, so dry skin people really gonna enjoy that. And I wake up with the softest skin. It smells like a garden. I've always noticed, like with Lotus Botanicals, their products always have this natural floral scent to it, which I love. So this range of bioretinol basically claims to reduce, restore and rejuvenate. It reduces wrinkles and fine lines, restores your youthful glow and rejuvenate dull skin. Now I personally have used very few products with retinoid in it. Just one time in a serum form. Most other times it was in a moisturizer form. I've never used it in a sleeping mask form, and I feel retinoids are best to be included in your nighttime skincare routine, because when you sleep your skin does most of its repair work. So that's when you want to give it really powerful concentrated ingredients so that your skin can do its job. So now that you have understood, this bioretinol is a plant-based vitamin A derivative. It's an anti-aging skincare, and just because it says anti-aging doesn't mean only old people should use it. Anti-aging products should be started when you're in your late 20s. You can also use it if you're below 25. There's no rule as such, but if you're not using it before 25, I feel it's fine. You should use sunscreen though. After you're 25, you should really start including some kind of anti-aging. Retinol is a great ingredient, as I just explained, because it's gonna tackle the signs of aging. So as our skin reduces the production of collagen, we start getting fine lines, we start getting wrinkles, so we want to prolong it as much as possible. So this really helps to tackle all that, and it also reduces your pigmentation. So retinol not only handles your anti-aging part, it also works really well if you have dark spots, pigmentation, acne, breakouts. It works amazingly well for even these things. It improves your skin's elasticity. As you grow older, elasticity kind of reduces. As I just explained, the collagen production reduces, so it improves the elasticity and firmness, and it also boosts skin radiance. So I feel retinol is a all-in-one, this perfect powerful ingredient which is gonna solve most of your skin issues. Of course, it's important whenever you're using active ingredients, very important to use a sunscreen during the daytime. So even if you're using this at night, that doesn't mean you skip sunscreen during the daytime. And of course, if I have convinced you to start using a retinol already, and if you're looking for any products in the market with retinol, plant derived retinol, I would highly recommend this one. They also have a cream and face wash. I have not tried that. Just tried the sleeping mask. You can just apply a thin layer at night before sleeping, and you're gonna wake up with a youthful glow and the softest skin. So yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you Lotus Botanicals for sponsoring this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.